Today's video is about web analytics with Shariq. So I'm going to try tools, specifically ClickBoss, for web analytics. So I'm going to, use different prompts and things like that to pull the data from the AI. Okay, let's jump into that. So this is ClickBoss, which is my AI tool, and it's connected already to all my data sources, you can see. So let's try and see what this prompt does it. So I'm asking landing pages with high users but low engagement rate, right? So this probably tells me something about what pages are getting a lot of users but are not engaging. This kind of stuff normally helps you to optimize your key pages, right? So if you have a landing page which is getting a lot of traffic, probably from Facebook, and you can also see that with the tool, and then you can start optimizing it, because you are losing money when people are not engaging with it, right? So let's see the result. We have homepage, which is having a bounce rate of 33%. Very nice. The average session duration is 214 seconds and 18 users. Okay, so strong engagement despite high user count. Okay, the second one is oil offers Europe. Okay, so this is one of the page which is getting the bounce rate of 33%, but the average session duration is just 4 seconds. Obviously not a good one. And the third one is 100% bounce rate, join us page. So that information quickly tells you where you have to focus on fixing things up, right? So this information is really important when it comes to optimizing your website, leaking the budget, and so forth. So if you're looking for a tool, feel free to reach out to me and I'll give access to ClickBoss. But yeah, I'll be back with a session for web analytics with Shariq again. And subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with someone who is into AI or analytics.